Hola everyone, so I'm sorry I'm late. So we're here from this analyze of these games in European Women's Rapid Chess Championship. So it means in this 2025 from this in this one. So it means so rapid chess is time clocks is 15 minutes games of this tournament. And also have between from this international master from Greece is Tafrolia Cholakido. So she was born on March 24, 2000 at the age of 24. So she was win of this World U14 Girls Chess Championship in 2013. So in 2016, she earned her from this Woman Grandmaster title. And also she was awarded her from this International Master from this title chess. In 2018, she was win of this Italian Women's Team Championship with a Cassia Italia, so it means teammates or two games within winning both. And she is a number one rank of this Greek female players as of 2018. So it means she was a good players of this one. It means focusing on these chess games. And also have a grandmaster from this Ukraine is Anna Oshenina. So she was born on August 30, 1985 at the age of 39 in Ukraine. So she was achieved of this tie-breaks victory to become of this 40th Women's World Chess Championship. So she was a voted from this Shanina from this Ukraine Best Female Chess Players of 2012. So she lost her from this title against Yo Yifan in China in this Women's World Chess Championship in 2013. So she was a focusing good determination of this one. So it means she was a good player from these chess games and etc. So in this part of this video here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this rapid chess in 15 minutes games. So white plays stuff is e4, c5 Anna's Sicilian defense, knight f3, and also e6. So it means e6 is called French variation from the Sicilian defense. And also mainline there, and also knight c6, and also d4, and also capture these pawns, and also knight takes, and also knight takes d4, and also capture these queen knights. So it means good decisions from whites and black from this variation from this one. So back there, she moves from e6 in this moving from Anna is called French variation from this one. And also d4, and also c takes d4, knight takes d4, and also a6. So it means it's not found on this booklet. So it means novelty by Anna. And also old name 9 there is simple is knight c6. So it means knight c6 here are main lines. So back novelty is a6 novelty by Anna. And also c4, and also knight f6. So it means knight f6 is threatening by e4, and also knight c3 defense from these e4 pawns, and also queen c7, bishop e2. So it means bishop e2 with upcoming of this castle on this one. So it means castle, and also bishop b4. So it means bishop b4 within threatening of this pin from check on this one. So it means targets from these determinations. And also queen d3, so it means defense by knight. And also knight c6, so it means knight c6 is ready to capture from this knight. And also knight takes, pawn takes, and also castle e5, so it means e5. And also bishop g5, so it means bishop g5 with the threatening of this knight. And also bishop backward c7, defense by knight. And also rook ac1, castle, queen g3. So it means queen g3. So it means with a pin from this one. So it means pin. And also force king h8. So it means force king h8. So it means Anna is focusing on this forces move. So it means forces move. Force king h8. So it means focusing with this within determinations from this one from this block. and also bishop backwards e3, and also knight d7, a3, so it means a3 is no more from this bishop b4, and also bishop c5, so it means threatening of this bishop, and also b4, so it means b4, so it means with the threatening of this bishop target from this development, and also bishop takes e3, so it means bishop takes e3, so it means the black with the threatening target from this rook from staff roll up from this one, so it means development, it means focusing on this thinker, and also queen takes e3, knight f6, so it means knight f6, so it means nice move, and also rook ft1, bishop e bishop e6, so it means bishop e6, so it means good determination, so it means focusing. So it means first puzzle. So what do you think of this focusing on this first puzzles from new brilliant move by Stavrola in Greece? So while waiting for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much. Here from this one is boom, knight d5, brilliant move by Stavrola. So it means strongest move. So it means brilliant move sacrifice. So it means 5 points. So knight d5, so it means brilliant move with a threatening of this queen or maybe knight. So it means knight. So it means brilliant move from the strongest move. And also c takes d5 knight. So it means capture this knight. So for example, in accept, why don't we capture this knight takes here from this brilliant sacrifice? And also pawn takes knight. Or maybe with a threatening bishop, so it means threatening. So threatening bishop from this one, so it means threatening, or maybe bishop d7, or maybe with the pin of this one, so not pin, so it means pushes from this d6 with the threatening of this queen. So queen, or maybe queen b8, so it means with queen b8, or maybe or queen takes e5, so it means queen takes e5, so it means so wins for white from this one, so it means wins for white. So back there is pawn takes knight, and also c takes d5, so it means opening. So rook, so it means target threatening of queen, and pawn threatening bishop, so it means danger from this block, so it means danger. And also queen d7, so it means queen d7, and also pawn takes bishop, queen takes pawn, and also rook c7, so it means rook c7, good decision, so it means strongest move. So it means so rook with a threatening of this b7, so it means within a 7th rank from this one, 7th rank. So 7th rank from this one. And also b5, so it means b5, so it means with focusing on this b5, so it means we'll never capture from this one. And also f3, so it means f3, h6, rook dc1, so it means rook dc1, so it means with the coming, so with the coming of this rook c6 with the threatening, so it means threatening, threatening this one queen, so it means within battery from this development. And also rook a d8, rook 1 c6, oh my god, strongest move. So it means rook 1 c8 with the threatening of this queen, or maybe threatening of this a6 on this pawn. So it means strongest good move by Stavrola. And also rook d6 with the defense, or maybe rook to rook, so it means bad move. Bad move from these black pieces. So the best moves there is queen a2. So it means queen a2. So with upcoming of this one, so it means strongest move by Anna. So it means strongest move. So it means dangers from white. So back there is rook d6, queen c5. So it means cross out move, X move. So the best moves there is rook takes captured, or maybe queen takes rook, so threatening rook, and also queen c3. So it means queen c3 is good decisions from white and black. So back there is queen c5, rook fd8, battery, good move by Anna. So it means battery within strongest move. So it means great move. So it means good determinations from this development. And also rook takes d6, rook takes capture. So wait for a moment. So is that brilliant sacrifice or not? Boom! No, it's not. It's not sacrifice brilliant move, but also blunder ratios from this one. So it means no sacrifice. So it means double question mark. So the best moves there is queen c2 with the defense of bishop. So it means defense. So it means don't forget from this move from these white pieces. So it means don't forget. Oh, so back there. So it means rook takes f7. So it means rook takes f7. So it means no sacrifice. So it means no sacrifice from this one. So it means low evaluations bar. So it means 18 seconds from white pieces and 59 seconds from black from this one. So it means tiebreaker. So it means tiebreaker. So it means die seconds. So it means die seconds from this one. So it is die seconds. And also knight d7, another good move by Anna. So it means knight d7 with the threatening of this queen. So it means determination. Wait, for example, so what do you think if you capture this queen takes rook from this one? Rook takes f7. Or maybe queen takes rook d6. So it means, so wins for white. So it means +1 from white from this one. So back there is knight d7 threatening queen, and also queen c8 check. So it means queen c8 check, king h7, and also rook f5. So it means rook f5. G6. Oh my god. So it means G6. So G6 threatening rook. So it means it's called long collides. So rook cannot move from this one. So it means cannot move because long collides from this one. Lock. So it means lock. Lock long collides cannot move by rook. Oh, what do you do to move by rook? And also rook f8 sacrifice. So it means sacrifice. So determination. So it means sacrifice from this one. What do you think? Oh, knight takes rook. So it means knight takes f8. Or maybe, so it means queen to queen. So queen to queen. So it means queen to queen. So what do you think? Queen to queen from this one. Or maybe queen takes f8. So it means queen takes f8. So what do you think if queen to queen's captured, or maybe rook takes here. So determination, knight or rook. Oh, knight to rook. Oh, okay, rook takes here. So it means rook takes queen. So it means rook takes queen. So so it means wins for blacks on this one. So it means wins for black. So back there is queen takes knight. So it means queen takes f8. And also rook d2 threatening bishop. And also king f1 defense bishop. And also queen d7. Queen c5. And also queen e6, good move by Anna. And also h4. So it means h4 from this one. And also h5 with a stop on this h5 white. And also queen c7 check. And also rook d7 defense. So it means block from this one. So it means threatening queen. And also queen c3. Queen c6. So it means triple. So it means double, triple, double. And also g3 with upcoming of this g4 from white pieces. And also rook c7 threatening queen, and also queen e3, rook d7 at the back, and also queen g5. So queen g5, so it is determinations by stop Yola from this one. and also queen d4, g4, so it means g4. So it means we're already of this captured from this block. And also pawn takes captured, and also h5. So it means h5 with the threatening of this g6 from this one. So if you think if the capture these pawns here from this one, or maybe queen takes rook. I mean queen takes pawn, so it means queen takes pawn. Sorry, so it means queen takes pawn. So it means so wins for black. So back there is h5, and also queen d6, queen takes pawn, and also rook f7, queen g5 at the back, and also rook f6, king f2, and also g takes h5, queen takes h5 check, and also king g7, queen g5 check at a repeat, and also rook g6 defense, so it means threatening queen, and also queen e3, queen b6, so it means queen b6, queen to queen, and also queen takes, rook takes, and also king e3, so it means king e3, so it means determinations from this white, from this one, and also a black pieces from this one, so it means so four pieces from whites and three pieces from blacks from this one. And also rook c6 with the upcoming of this check, so like this one, so this coming, and also king d2, king f6, and also bishop d1, rook d6 check, king e2, and also king g5, bishop b3, king f4, bishop d5, and also rook h6 with upcoming of this check on this one, so it means check, and also bishop b7, so it means bishop b7, and also rook h2 check, king d1, and also rook h6 at the back, so repeat, so it means to repeat back to back, and also king e2, rook g6 with upcoming against from this check, so it means check from this one, and also bishop c8, rook b6, bishop g4, and also rook c6 will upcoming again from this check, from this one, so this upcoming, and also king d2, rook c7, bishop h5, and also rook d7 check, king c2, king e3, and also bishop g4 at the back, repeat, and also rook c7 check, repeat again, and also king b3, king d4, sorry, so it means king d4, and also king b2, rook c3, so it means rook c3, so it means determinations from black. So 16 seconds from black from Anna, and 28 seconds from black by Stafrola. So it means fastest seconds. So it means so dying seconds. So it means dying seconds. And also bishop h5, rook c7, bishop g4 repeats again, and also king d3, bishop e6, king e3 with a threatening of this f3, and also bishop g4 at the back, repeat again, defense, and also rook f7, so it means rook f7, a4, so it means a4 with a sacrifice from this one, and also rook takes f3, so it means rook takes f3, so it means rook takes f3, so this captured pawn, and also pawn takes b5, so it means pawn takes b5. So for example, if you capture this bishop from this one, or maybe king takes bishop, or maybe pawn takes, or maybe king takes pawn, or maybe what do you think? What do you think? If you pawn takes, so it means so it means pushes with upcoming, so it means pushes, so it means so it means wins for white. So wins for whites from this one. So back there is pawn takes, a takes b5, pawn takes, and also bishop d7 with the threatening of this b5 from black, and also king takes pawn, bishop takes pawn, and also king d4, king c2, and also e4. So it means e4 with upcoming pushes from this e3, e2, or maybe promotes here from this queen, and also bishop e2 with the threatening of this rook, and also rook e3 with the threatening of bishop, and also king d2 defense by bishop, and also rook b rook b3. So it means with the threatening of this b4 from white, and also b5. So it means with upcoming pushes, and also rook b2 check, and also king d1, and also king e3. So it means king e3. So it means the threatening of this one bishop. So it means threatening, and also bishop c4, and also king f2. So it means king f2. So it means with upcoming of these pushes. So it is coming. So it means pushes e3 e2 with a promote. So it means resigns from white from Staffiola in peace. So why she resigns? Because, for example, if you if you if you b6 from these pushes, or maybe rook takes b6, or maybe bishop d5, or maybe e3 pushes, or maybe king c1, and also coming. So it means so e2 with upcoming promotes, or maybe bishop c4, or maybe e1 queen. So it means check. So it means, so if you king c2, king c2, or maybe queen b1 check, queen d1. So where do you put? Oh, so if you put this king d2, or maybe, so it means choose. What do you think? So if you queen, oh no, so queen. So what do you put there? So if you rook, queen, sorry, if you queen, oh queen, queen b2 check. So it means queen b2 check, or maybe where do you put? Oh there, king d3, or maybe, oh where do you put? Oh rook d6 check, or maybe put this one, and also queen d4 check, or maybe put this king f5, or maybe if you put, oh if you move there king g3, so it may be king, so it means king g5. So it means, so what do you think? So king g5. So it means what do you put? What do you think if you push? Oh, so it means king pawns, or maybe, so it means queen f4 check. So it means, putting this one, or maybe queen h4 checkmate. Oh, so it means queen f4 checkmate. So it means focusing determinations. So it means, so it means it means wins. So it means wins for black. So it means white losses. So it means white loss on this one. So it means, I'm sorry, I forgot my thinking of this realizations from this one. So it means, so I forgot my thinking of this brain. So it means lost my memory. So it means lost from white. So it means resigns from Greece. So the winner of this grandmaster in Ukraine is Anna Ushenina. So it means congratulations. Keep up the good work. So it means congratulations. It's Grandmaster Anna Ushenina. So before that, so it means I hope for this enjoy for this part of this video on this one. So thank you so much of this watching here. So I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. So thank you so much here. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios. Bye bye.